Hello all, welcome to my channel, BA Electronics here. Today this is going to be a fast review of this clamp meter which coming from ANENG. Can you believe it? From ANENG. So what else we have in? Okay, user guide, usual silicone imitation, but it's PVC. Probes, as all cheap instruments giving to you, it's same. Battery, I placed battery in it. Okay, it's clamp meter up to 600 amps. Model ST170. What I noticed, it does not have a Hall sensor, which is needed to measure DC current. Other than that, it measures true RMS, ohm meter, voltmeter, both DC and AC, and capacitance. High current AC goes for clamp meter, so its clamp meter is only for AC. That is immediately thing I do not like, but what to tell you. Of course, it have detection, short circuit detection, and diode check. So let's start from multimeter functions. So let's go first to see how it detect. It have as well light when short detected, but it's slowish. Look at it. And it's not so loud, but it's okay. This reminds me on some instruments I have seen short circuit is actually detected by ohm meter. It measures resistance, and when it drops low, I would say below 10 or 20 ohms, it will detect short circuit. Let's see. We have 1 ohm here. Yeah, 1 ohm. It, of course, it's showing 1.3. How much it's showing? This like 004. So diode. Let's see, can it measure this diode? Actually, we need to select to go to diode. Now diode mode. No, it cannot measure this diode. This is 2.7 volts diode, so it cannot measure that one. So don't expect to measure LED diodes. Let's go to ohm meter. 200 kilo ohm range and 20 mega ohms range. Fun. So what it say for leads? 000. Resolution is low. I think for low resistance you need to use this like ohm meter. That is combination. Let's see how ohm meter actually work. What it says 003, so when it say for 01, 04, 03, that is too low for it, but 0.5 ohm, 0.8. So it's not perfect for measuring low resistance, but you can have some orientation about what resistance you measuring. High resistance, we can go with we need to go with range up. So 100 kilo ohm, pretty close. 1 mega ohm, it cannot be measured. You need to change range. 1 mega ohm, exactly 1 mega ohm. 10 mega ohms. Yeah, 10 mega ohms. Very nice. So it indeed measures resistance very well. However, let's see capacitance up to 200 microfarad. Not millimicrofarad. That is low, 200 microfarad. How you deal with this low capacitance? No, look at scale. Scale is in microfarad. We cannot select anything else. But it's correct. So don't expect to measure anything below 100 nanofarads on with this instrument. Very limited capacitance measuring up to 200 microfarads. 220 microfarad. You remember it? 222. Almost all instruments case. What this one will say? Out of range. So it's truly limited. 120 microfarad. $116. So it's working, as I said, from 0.1 microfarad up to 200 microfarad. No more, no less. So voltage. So I will set it to 100 millivolts. No, I will set it to 500. There we are. Just to see how sensitive it is. 40 millivolts, so it has some mistake, but it detects that low voltage. That is nice. Actually, when I power it on, it will give 3.3 volt. Exactly, 3.3 volts. Very nice. So let me 8.3. Yeah. Let's see, 20 volts out of range. 90.40. I sending 19.3. So it's okay. 200 volt. 23 I sending. So it is. Let me go to 42. Yep, it's working. So it's okay with DC voltage measuring. It's okay from. It has some low resolution. You can detect millivolts, but precision is acceptable. This one will tell you exactly how much it is. Clamp will be closed here, as you see. This one will show you also measuring, and you need to see what this one measured. Can you see both now? Yep, you can see. So we will use this heater as a load to all of this. Let's go. Now heater taking 3.3 amps, and look at it. Clamp meter says 2.9 amps. That is significant mistake. But let's see how we'll go now. 6.1 amp. 1500, you see, 1.5 kilowatt. But it says 5.9. that 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 is quite big mistake for this amperage for current below 10 amps. So 0.7 amps mistake in what yep, now it measures a bit better. So position of it around cabling, you see, you 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 must be away from ground, and but still it does not reaching 6.6 amps anyway, just maximum 6.2, so still mistake is 0.4 amps. This instrument is quite precise. This hair dryer is declared like 100. Let me see. I don't see really. I need magnifier. This dryer is declared 600 watts, but this one showing load of 500 watts. However, 6.6 amps, and ANENG telling me that it's 6.1 amp. That's quite disappointing result. But this instrument cost 7 euros. That is how much I paid it. So what we can expect for 7 euros? In my head, would I like to have this instrument when I'm working something around electrical installations? Yes, but I would like something better than this. However, if no better instruments around, this one will do the job. That is, for 7 euros it will do the job for sure. That is all about this instrument in this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you soon with next video.